See how high we can go. 19.
Awesome. These are the elevators at the Skyhouse here at Channelside, in Tampa, Florida.
Interesting how they have open and close controls here, but no floor buttons.
Yes.
They have one normal COP and one without floor buttons. That's weird. $19.
I heard the brakes. Are these Synergy?
I don't think they're so. They feel way too solid feeling to be
I think these might be
Synergy.
momentum.
Probably.
They're probably.
There's like the cab, silver glass,
These are pretty nice.
got a cane.
Mirrors.
Cane.
Upper stop. Great.
Got my cab view just in time.
What floor are you going to?
Just down.
Okay. Oh, okay. Stops.
Going down? Which floor?
Nice dog you have.
Okay.
Stop.
Down?
Yep, going down.
Yep.
Lobby. Lobby. Alright.
Yes, lobby. Yes. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're in the lobby. All right, you all have a wonderful day.
Go ahead.
There are your buttons, and we'll get off here. Whoa. It'd be funny if it just shut with just the two of us in it and started going up.
Yeah.
Yeah, but then
Alright, there it goes.
Well, there it goes.
That'll be it.
That'll be it.